enjoying the Jack on the Go show.
Alright guys, we're up, it's 9:30 in the morning. We're heading to Gatlinburg. Gotta get our coffee first, so we will bring you with us and see what we see. Okay guys, getting rowdy in here. Stopped at Buc-ee's just to grab some coffee. The place is crazy. The biggest one. Are we at the biggest one? I think we are. I think it's the biggest Buc-ee's in the chain. Anyway, they do burritos and tacos at this one. I don't remember the other one having that. Okay, you know, we were just discussing in the car. Jeanette said that it didn't seem much bigger than the other one I filmed at. And she's absolutely right. Hi. She's absolutely right. It doesn't feel that much bigger. So if you have another Buc-ee's closer to you, don't drive the distance to try and see this one. But they did have burritos and tacos, and the other one didn't. So I got to give it that. But I think they have like 100 pumps. It's crazy. And as soon as we got out of the car, Alex and his friend looked at me and said, "Hey, are you Jack Scalfani?" I'm like, had to check my ID. But yeah, so it was cool. I saw some friends of Jack on the Go, and they were parked right next to me. So anyway, now we're heading, we're in Sevierville, right? Yep. We're going to the hotel right now, and Jeanette just, she was hitchhiking. So we brought her along.
Right, just went on for the ride.
That's right. Okay guys, I gotta tell you, we've been driving to the hotel. There's the Dutch Brothers right there. There are so many new things. What else did we see that just arrived? Well, Golden Corral. I don't remember Golden Corral being here. Some of you like Golden Corral, I know. But some of you do. And it is here. Oh my gosh. Is that Shoney still in business? There's one customer. No wonder they went under. Anyway, but yeah, there's so much building and there's so much new stuff. I can't begin to tell you what's arrived. Right now we're driving. I think this turns into Parkway. All right, guys, we got into our room, and you know what? Absolutely gorgeous. Our balcony has a great view. I'll show you more later, but this is the first shot. I gotta tell you, we've been driving down the strip, down Parkway. We have seen more new places. We haven't, we've been gone, what, a year or two maybe?
Maybe right here.
And we see so many new places. Entertainment, restaurants, Brazilian steakhouse. This place has changed. It is mega packed here already. And it's just a Friday. I can imagine what tomorrow's gonna look like.
I thought the kids were back in school.
We're downtown Gatlinburg. Where are we going? We're gonna go review a pizzeria. Pizza Rio, it's called. It's a Brazilian pizza place. What? They have a lot of changes. Like Old Red just opened up. That's owned by Blake Shelton. He's got one at the airport, he's got one here, and he's got one downtown Nashville. And there's other restaurants too. You guys gotta come back. You gotta come back to this area because there's so much new stuff. All right guys, we're at a place called Pizza Rio, and this is the opening. It's tucked away in the back off the Parkway. And by the way, you can make reservations, so please call and make reservations before you get here. Okay, we may be in for a surprise tonight because Jeanette told me that it seems like it's a 5-course what?
5-course Brazilian style dining experience.
Yeah. Okay, this is gonna be kind of a different video. Cool. Just a regular.
I mean, the price is not bad for that. So.
What's the prices like?
$28 for that per person.
$28 for 5 courses?
Right.
That's a lot better than the Korean barbecue place I went to. Cheese and pepperoni. All right. So we'll show you as it comes out. Okay, we just got hit with a big change. We were not expecting this. It's like a Brazilian steakhouse where they keep going around, but they do it with pizza and not meat. And they got 5 courses, and unbelievable. So we're gonna go by that, and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, so they started us with the meatballs as an appetizer. And I think we're getting wings too, aren't we?
Yep.
Yeah. We're getting garlic parmesan wings. And then what's the soup?
Is that a better picture?
Yeah, what's it look like?
So it is asparagus potato.
Asparagus potato. Go ahead.
If you like asparagus, it's delicious.
Really?
And I do, so.
I like asparagus.
Like
you like asparagus?
Yes, I do.
All right,
kinda
guys.
glad, 'cause
I'll show you what
it's like
lands
a
on that
roasted
plate in a
asparagus, that's what it
minute.
tastes like.
All right, we're gonna taste their meatballs. My mom made great meatballs. What? Are you being crude? Are you being crude on my video?
That's what she said.
All right. My mother used to make meatballs with 3 different meats.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay. That is a delicious meatball.
That's
Okay,
the service.
the wings, all we do is tell them when we're ready for more. Caesar salad, garlic parmesan wings right there. Beautiful house salad.
Thank you.
All right. So that's what they're doing. They're coming around with different type of pizzas, serving up slices like that. I've already had one, but you know what? The home run tonight has got to be the wings. So the wings are mind blowing. I cannot relay it to you on video. They've done something to the wings. I don't know what it is, but it's tender, moist, and flavorful. Okay, usually I wait to the end of the video to tell you what I think, but we're kind of mind blown right now. This all is so good. I can't believe we don't have this in Nashville. Once again, it's called Pizza Rio. Get it? Rio, Brazilian. It's over right now. Okay, I just want to film my reaction to broccoli on a pizza. Never had broccoli on a pizza, and the waitress said it was her favorite. Really good. Okay, guys, I got a piece of pizza with Doritos on top. Now, Jeanette said a great thing. They make these thin slices so that you can try a little bit of everybody. Everybody who's bringing stuff out, you have room still. You don't get filled up on pizza. You know, get a big giant slice.
Messy.
I probably won't have another piece of that, but it tastes interesting. All right, when you're done with dinner, they move on to dessert pizzas. I will not be having any. The ladies might try it out. Maybe they can tell us what it's like.
And Jack,
But-
how many servings of wings did you have?
I had 3 servings of wings, man. Those were the best wings I've ever had. From California to Tennessee.
Server was even surprised.
Yeah. Server's like, how many do you have? And the third 3 servings. But I shared the first 2. Let's be real about it. Tell us what you got here.
That's coconut with caramel,
Right?
strawberry with Nutella,
Right?
and banana with, I don't know what. Cinnamon. And cream and cinnamon.
Okay, go ahead. That's good. All right, now the strawberry line. We're just gonna go right down the line.
Hold on. That's really good.
Really good?
Come on.
Now for the coconut and caramel. Okay, which one's the best?
They're all really good.
Okay, guys. This is like the Korean barbecue place. What a surprise this was. I loved it. It was amazing. I expected to do this again with sushi, where they come around and serve up a couple pieces, and they could do it. But for right now, pizza's in the works. We love it. So I'm gonna give this place an A+, because I'll be back every year that I'm here. I'll visit this place again. So A+, 2 pluses. Hey, we've had 2 restaurants like that. All right, we're all down for count. We love you. We'll see you on the next episode.